YouTube. I wasn't gonna post today, really, because I'm not being well lately, and you probably can't even hear me. So this is gonna be my only post today, and then I'll post when I'm better. Ring. So sorry if you hear me not talking in this video or coughing. It's not my fault, because I don't know why, but it gets worse every day. And I have some posts off yesterday. Or off this week that I'm gonna post because I didn't get around to them. Sorry guys, that's my mom. I think she's got something off me. What is it over here? Sour candy. Sour candy. Select all. So guys, I'm so sorry if you hear me coughing during this video. And you have to turn your volume up to hear me. But I am gonna add subtitles so you guys can hear me. Well, why am I saying you guys? No one even watches these videos. Costume Grace, what's this? Oh guys, there's a rabbit web. You need to buy these with your Candy Crush. Sorry guys. I'm gonna pumpkin soon. I'm gonna wear it, bro. Oh, inventory. Quit. Oh my god, I remember her. So on Friday I had my head was hurting, and And here's one. Saturday. I was feeling a little worse. And yesterday, I had a little cough, and now today, it's just really bad. And my mom's got it too, whatever it is. Sorry, I just farted. Why did I keep farting? What? Eva? To cover your body? Ew, he's naked. He's naked. May as well do this as an easier task. But I still gotta do the wizard's quest. Oh my god. What? Oh. Sorry guys. You can hear my cough and the rest of this. I do apologize, and I don't mean it. It's just that I can't help coughing in this video.
You're going to have to let me do this again. Make sure you haven't got COVID.
Okay guys, I'll be back.
You're going to have to let me do this again.
You guys, I'm back. So what are those breaths? I just had to do something on my mom, so yeah. Daddy, oh, he's cute. What the heck is he saying? He's talking in random letters. Oh, he lost his mother. Oh. Maybe his mother's in here. Yeah, this kind of looks like a bat cave here. So I think his mother should be here. Come on, Bat. Oh, Daddy's so cute. I can't wait to see him. Or just hug his mom. Oh no, that looks like a spider. Got so many quests. What's he saying? Oh, I think he wants something. Continue going. I'm gonna attack me though. Sorry if you hear me coughing during this. I don't like it. And if you're sick today, then I hope you get better soon. And yeah. And you guys probably think it's okay because it's not using it, but for me it's not okay because I don't like it. It hurts. I don't know what to do. So I'm gonna take a little break from YouTube until I can get better. Now we're on this side. Oh my god, my throat hurts so bad. Sorry if my voice sounds weird. It's because, I don't know. My throat's sore because I've been coughing. And sorry guys if you hear me coughing. I can't help it. And I'll try to post 2 videos today, but I'm not going to promise. Because I may just post some videos from yesterday and from the weekend that I never got around to posting. Because I've not been good with posts lately. Oh my god, my throat. Sorry guys about this. I don't mean it. Guys, I'm gonna go for now because I'm gonna take a little break. So bye for now.